How to make money as a photographer. Last week we started off a series of episodes where we discuss photography marketing with great detail and tips. That's right, my friends, it's a Money Monday episode number 2. My name is Zdenka Darola. I work as a photographer for many years. I'm a former model and a few other things. Well, what are we going to be talking about today? These days, it is a must to have a website. You know you want it, you know you need it, you know that you want to have your photos online presented in a very nice way. Or you have website for a very long time, like me for example, and you would like to change template a bit or switch to a different hosting company altogether. And since there are so many companies out there online, you might feel a bit overwhelmed. Well, don't worry, because I've done the dirty work for you. I went online and I looked what's popular out there these days, what works and what doesn't. I mainly looked at web hosting companies and templates which you can manage on your own, because when you're starting as a new photographer, your budget will be tight. Once your business takes over and you're doing great, then you might hire some help for that. Also, it never hurts to be able to change something on the fly, like your photos in your portfolio. It's a very good skill to have. So here are top companies worth checking out in random order. Wix. This company is geared mainly towards photographers. You can choose from more than 40 different types of galleries display. If you want certain galleries to remain private and have your clients to log in to see their images, Wix can certainly provide that. You can try it out for free and then choose appropriate package for your needs. BoldGrid. It is a WordPress builder which is mainly known for blogging. You don't need to be a web designer to be able to customize your website and change it around the way you need. It is very simple to use. You can try it out for free as well. Jimdo. Their simple templates and designs focus on showcasing photographers' work well. You are able to customize templates with changing building blocks. You can drag and drop photos to their galleries. Squarespace, known for their customer service. If you have trouble with designing your website, their team will gladly help you out. Has great blogging functions and has calendar tool for those artists which hold shows. Your clients can RSVP directly on your website. If you are planning on selling prints and online merchandise, here are web hosting companies which will help you just with that. Weebly. It's a drag and drop builder, so again, very easy to use. Their designs are very eye-catching and elegant. Weebly is mainly known and very widely used for e-commerce tools, so you can sell your own prints. BigSpot. If you want to do everything in one place, like showcasing your portfolio, have a proofing gallery for your clients, and have an online store, then you might try this provider. Your clients will be able to purchase photo downloads, prints, and any other products you might want to offer. Their platform automatically imports IPTC data as image captions, so you have a better chance of your photos being seen. Zenfolio. Simple design and unlimited storage. You don't have to worry you'll run out of space. They also have private galleries option for your clients. They are linked to print labs, so you can certainly sell photos here as well. SmugMug is an ideal tool for new photographers starting out, as well as for experienced photographers. You can customize galleries and have great support teams, so if you need help with anything, you can reach them 24/7. Also linked to print labs to sell your photos. Well, check out these web hosting companies really well. Take your time, make a very good decision, because it's gonna be your main business tool and it will stay with you for a very long time. By the way, the links to those web hosting companies you'll find in a video description below this video. Thank you for watching Money Monday Photography Marketing. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all future videos. Let me know what web hosting companies you are planning on using or you are already using, and what experience you have with it in the comment section below. If you have any questions or comments or simply want to say hello, please do so there as well. I read all of it and I will respond. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you next time. Ciao. Ahoj.